God, I can't believe that Kate isn't here yet.
I know, that musical is taking up all of her time.
You know, at this point, we should just take over.
Honestly. Well, on that note, welcome back, Vaqueros. My name is Brian Sabin.
And I'm Brianna Ramirez.
What the heck? What are you guys doing in our seats?
And welcome back, Vaqueros. As always, I'm Kiva Vacaria.
And I'm Caitlin Marshall. I can't believe it's already 7.0.
Time is really flying by. After this, we only have 3 broadcasts left this year.
And then you graduate.
I know, that's coming up way faster than I thought it would. But hey, we seniors still have many exciting events to experience before then.
Like formal. Speaking of which, congratulations to you and Hope Buxton for winning formal court.
Thank you. I mean, that was definitely a memorable night. Senior Class Council did an amazing job planning it.
Irvine High event planning skills are unmatched, and we're about to see that again with our multicultural festival.
Get excited, Vaqueros. It's tomorrow night. I'm ready to attack every booth for their ethnic cuisine.
Speaking of which, let's see how our spring athletes have been attacking their start of the season.
Hey Vaqueros, I'm Callie Shane, back with more Irvine sports news. CIF's just starting to heat up, so let's see how our winter athletes are making their voices heard. Girls water polo has been trunching the competition in the pool this season. They made it into CIF this year, demolishing their opponents in their first game against Garden Grove. Good job, girls. Girls soccer has also been pushing through their season. Junior player Kalia Cow has been showing strength all throughout. In the words of her teammate, Abby Wong, Kalia has been a star player, constantly helping her team attack and create set plays. Can't wait to see more teamwork and victory. Boys soccer continues to hold their ground, tying Portola just a few weeks ago. They made it into CIF this year after winning league with their first game just last week. Keep up the good work. Wrestling saw some stars show up on the mat. Charlie Peterson and Liliana Mendez both placed first at Laguna Hills just a few weeks ago. Wrestling also won big at the league finals with boys team taking home second place and the girls team placing first for the second year in a row. Can't wait to see how you all continue to make your voices heard throughout the end of the season. Boys basketball has been pushing through with strength. Senior Daniel Shin scored 6 3-pointers at the senior game against Laguna. Good job, boys basketball, and have a great off-season. Girls basketball is continuing their strings of victory. 3 weeks ago, we saw the girls beat Northwood, Uni, and Laguna Hills. This week, the girls are coming home having beaten the same 3 over again. They made it to CIF, and for the first time in school history, they won league. Way to go, girls. Our winter athletes have been making unprecedented waves this year. So many have scored big wins in the league and moved it on to CIF. Keep winning, athletes, and see you all next time.
Thanks for giving us a glimpse into the winter season, Callie.
We love hearing the voices of our athletes on campus.
We do. And while we're talking about the voices on our campus, freshmen, sophomores, and juniors have the chance once again for their voices to be heard.
And that'll be through ASB elections. The student body will vote for next year's ASB leaders on March 2nd through March 5th.
And in the spirit of elections, we have a special Spirit Week that week.
And it's a fun one. I can't wait to deck out on my superhero gear on Thursday.
See, me personally, I'm more into Monday's Zoom outfit day. Any excuse to wear pajamas.
Valid. Anyways, guys, make sure to cast your votes that week.
Also, if you're interested in being on ASB but don't want an elected position, appointed position forms are officially available and due on March 20th.
It's a great opportunity to say in our campus events.
I think it's time for us to hear more of our voices on campus, so to you, Bobby.
What is going on, Irvine? It's your boy, Bobby Tufford, and we are back out here for 7.0. And in today's broadcast, I'm gonna be asking you guys all these music-themed questions, so let's go check it out. All right, so both of y'all got your AirPods in.
Yeah.
So what song are y'all listening to right now?
Listening to, what song am I listening to? Let's see. Oh, it's the Tron theme music.
That's a good one.
The one.
Hayden, come here. What song are you listening to right now?
Still Think About You by A Boogie.
That is a certified banger. What song are you listening to right now?
Life is Good by Future
On my
Drake.
taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock.
Is
on my
Drizzy the
wrist.
rap god?
Yeah, I say so.
What is your favorite song by Drizzy Drake?
Passion Fruit is good.
That's bad. All right, so today I'm here with,
Vibo Srinivasan. Ali Azulin.
and today I'm gonna be asking some music-based questions. So, do you guys listen to music?
Yeah.
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 A little bit.
Not really. Yeah.
Okay, so my first question for you guys, or my second one, is what is your guys' favorite genre of music?
I'd say rap. No, I listen to whatever my friend wants me to listen to.
Why do you like rap so much?
I just like the lines because they don't make sense, you know?
They don't make sense, that's why it's so good, yeah?
Probably just regular pop. I like R&B.
R&B, who's your favorite R&B artist?
I don't know. I don't have one favorite.
You rock with The Weeknd or what?
Yeah.
You know Cardi? Playboy Cardi?
Playboy Cardi? No, I don't know that, guys. Bro, there's gotta be someone listening to High Boy by New Jeans, bro. I swear. What song are you listening to right now?
What song are you listening to?
Actually, nothing.
Really? Just say something. Okay. Just say what's that song called?
Say Hype Boy.
Hype Boy. Oh yeah, do you listen to Hype Boy by New Jeans?
No.
Do you know that song?
No.
Do you know Hype Boy?
No.
Do you know New Jeans?
No.
Do you have your AirPods in? So what song are you listening to?
Kind of embarrassing.
It's one of those.
Hype Boy by New Jeans.
No way! No way, yo!
You gotta send it off.
Do. Oh! Well, Irvine, it was great to hear about all your favorite musical artists and genres. But for now, I gotta pass it on to Kiva and Kate. I'll catch y'all in 8.0. See ya.
It's wonderful to hear people from all different parts of campus on our broadcast.
And those parts of campus have many more opportunities to connect with our annual Unity Week coming up.
There will be exciting activities all week, starting with rock painting and friendship bracelet making in the quad on Tuesday.
Followed by balloongrams on Wednesday and a Polaroid photo booth on Thursday, also in the quad.
And the fun-filled week ends off with none other than food fair. That's gonna be one of the best parts of the week.
It definitely is. Also on that Friday evening from 5 to 7 p.m. is the Unity Week Showcase in the amphitheater.
Don't forget to bring cash to buy all the delicious food our amazing clubs are selling.
There's so much more to Unity Week than we can tell you guys.
So let's show you guys what's coming up instead.
My name is Jaden Saba, and I'm in junior, 11th grade, and I go to school to be educated.
And I'm Dr. Cohen. I am Jaden's English teacher this year.
The bond between me and Dr. Cohen was, I'm gonna say amazing, because we love each other. She's loving and caring because she always reaches out to me and to everybody.
I mean, first of all, I feel gratitude. I mean, to do this job every day and to know that somebody could pick anybody here, and he picked me, and then to have him say all those nice things about me, it's an honor. We come here because of our students, and we come here, I think, hoping to make an impact. And Jaden's super easy. He just comes in and he brings the best of humanity in with him. And I think that's what he's talking about. That's super important to me. And I think we just met on that path. So a true honor. I do love this guy. He's such a good human and he's such a kind person. And he's just, I couldn't be more grateful that he would look to me and say, that's the person that I want to have with me. So I feel pretty proud. I feel honored, man. Thank you.
Can't get enough of Unity Week.
And that's not the only fun thing going on around our school campus. Our vaqueros have been busy lately.
They have. Over in Miss Jane's room, students have qualified to compete in the semifinals of the Stellar Explorers competition,
which is being held later this month.
It is. Congratulations to Harleen Aluwalia, Nathan Fan, Yuliana Cherevko, Mega Ayaswamy, Brian Lee, Mia Olea, Archit Ral, Justin Tan, and Issa Ozer.
You guys rock.
Also, our first robotics team will be in the OC regional competition on March 11th and 12th and is inviting anybody who wants to watch.
Also, can we talk about our performing arts department? They've been killing it.
They have. Instrumental music has concerts coming up on March 9th and 10th.
Our wonderful Mrs. Slow was also awarded the Secondary Dance Instructor Award by the Orange County Music and Arts Administrators.
That's wonderful. She's been putting in so much effort into our dance program and has been working so hard on the upcoming musical.
It's not just her. The whole performing arts department, from the singers to the musicians to the actors, are all coming together for the spring musical.
The Music Man.
My name is Maddox Cryle, and I am playing the character of Harold Hill in The Music Man.
I am Genevieve Velarde, and I am playing Marian Peru in Music Man.
My name is Donald Osborne, and I am the lighting designer for The Music Man.
My name is Mrs. Skoyan. I am the drama teacher here on campus.
My favorite part of the production is just spending time with the people. It's really fun, everyone's super nice, and it's really chill.
Probably just watching what we build just come to life, and like being on the stage and getting critiqued by like Cappies and everyone watching.
My favorite part of the production is probably the time you spend with everyone. It's just such a close community. Everyone's really in touch with each other. It's really familiar. It's really nice.
Love watching students live out their passions and do something new and exciting, and as you can hear behind me, just absolutely killing the game.
Cash for the noggins and the piggins and the firkins.
Cash for the hot dog, casket, demi-john. Cash for the crackers and the pickles and the fly paper.
What do you talk? 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 What do you get it?
Some life lessons I've learned from this program is to be patient and to take things very slow, because a lot of stuff can go wrong in theater and you have to use your head and solve it like very quickly.
Teamwork is really important, and that you need people who are like by your side at all times to help you with stuff, like whatever you're doing, like whether it's like building or just needing help with something, like just having people with you is always really important.
We learn community, we learn timeliness, we learn the importance of practice and dedication and working together.
I mean, sometimes I have to deal with things I don't want to deal with, so it's taught me a lot of patience. I've learned how to have empathy for people that aren't like me, since it's an experience where you play someone who's not really like you.
Don't forget to buy your tickets. We have shows on March 2nd, 3rd, and 4th.
It's definitely not something to miss. I mean, Kate knows firsthand how much work our drama department has put into this production.
I do, and all that work has really paid off. You better be there watching, Kiva.
I'll show up with flowers just for you, Kate.
I know you will. Anyways, vaqueros, we have a couple final reminders.
Seniors, this is your last reminder to buy grad night tickets before prices raise on March 3rd.
And while you're at it, don't forget to purchase a yearbook.
Also, if you want a specific program on campus promoted, make sure to fill out the iTV request form in our Instagram bio.
I believe that's it for now. Well, guys, I've been Caitlin Marshall.
And I've been Kiva Vacaria. See you in 8.0. Get excited, vaqueros. It's tomorrow night. I'm ready to attack. I keep messing that up.
It's okay, you're good.
I'm ready to attack every booth for their ethnic cuisine.
There will be exciting activities all week during with rock painting and friendship bracelets to making in the quad on Tuesday.
What?
That didn't make sense. Speaking of which, congratulations to you and Hopelux food on our amazing dubs are selling.
There's so much more to Unity Week than you guys. We could tell.
So let's show you guys what's coming up instead.
Our amazing dubs are selling amazing things. Over in Miss Jane's room, students have been qualified to compete in the. Can we just reset?
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, just breathe.
It's okay.
We're fine.
It's okay.
We're fine. We'll be fine. Over in Miss Jane's room, students have qualified to compete in the semifinals of the STEM.
Women in STEM.
That's wonderful. She's put in so much effort into our dance program and has been working so hard on the upcoming musical.
It's not just her. The whole performing arts department, from the singers to the musicians to the actors, are coming together for our spring musical. Music Man! Just a little bit fast. Okay, I'm so glad I'm congratulating Miss Slow because I love Miss Slow.